Hi friends, we're gonna bake some dirt, or we're gonna make mud. You need a chocolate cake. This is devil's food. You need 2 eggs. You need some milk, and you need some butter. That's just the beginning. And then we're gonna make up our mud. It's called delicious mud or delicious dirt. We're gonna make that first, and then we're gonna put stuff on top. So go ahead and bake your cake like we do in class, like we have been doing on the videos. So I'm going to get my cake mix, pour it in. Y'all should be professionals at this by now. There we go. Chocolate latte, we haven't done chocolate in a long time. Alright. And then you're going to need your 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Be a good cracker. There's one. Tap, tap, tap. Get your thumbs. Push them in. And gently pull it out. And throw that in the trash or put it back in there. That's one. Let's get one more. Get it. Crack it. Oh, there we go. Thumbs up. Push them in your crack. Pull it apart gently. Don't let the shell go in. Yay! Then you're going to need some water. I got 1 cup of water. I'm going to pour that in. And then we need some oil. Use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you got at the house. And here's my oil. 1/3. Says it on your box. And then we're going to mix it up. We're going to stir it up. Stirring some love. You got to stir it for a long time. Keep stirring. Then after we bake our cake, this is going to be dirt. That's why we got chocolate cake. It's going to look just like dirt or mud. But really the mud is the chocolate pudding. Keep stirring. We're almost there. Get your mom to help you, or your big sister, or your big brother, or your dad. Oop, eggshell. Got it out. If you have eggshell, pull it out. Alright. We're getting there. Keep going. Get all the lumps out. Really shouldn't matter. It's going to look like dirt anyway. Okay. Now I'm going to pour it in a pan. You can use it. Hi friends, our cake is done. I went ahead and made the pudding, or you can buy it already made at the store. So the pan is ready with our cake. I let it cool off. You gotta let it do that. Then you're going to put it in a bowl. It's going to be like dirt. So to get your cake, let it cool off, and when it's cooled off, put it in the bowl. There it comes. Crumble it up. You can use your hands. Make sure they're clean. Wash your hands always. All good cooks wash their hands before they cook. Or you can use a spoon or a fork just to crumble it up. So here we go. Yeah, that's all of it. Okay, so I already made the pudding. That's the mud. So here's the dirt, our chocolate cake. I'm going to use my spatula. Remember spatula? Break it up where it looks like dirt, like that you have in your yard or in the street, or you see it at the playground, or after a rainstorm. Alright, just like that. Does it look like dirt? Looks like dirt. So there's your dirt. And then you're going to take some pudding, and put it on top of it. That's mud. Delicious dirt and mud. I'll stir mine up a little bit more. Put it in there. Or, if you want to, you can get a cup and you can get some of your dirt, your cake, and put it in a cup. A little bit more in there. Whoa. Here we go. There's my dirt. I'm going to put some mud on top. Mud. Let's see what it looks like. look like mud and dirt to you? Would you eat it? Yeah, let's make it even better. How about if we get some worms? There's some gummy worms. I'm going to stick their head. Or I hope it's their head. Ooh, there's the worms in the dirt. And you can eat them. You can pull it out, eat it, or you can leave it there and stick it all the way down into the cake. Make it even more better. I got a little thing of Oreo cookies. I put them in as a